Want an easy way to make brownies? Have some extra cake mix in your pantry? This video will tell you how to make brownies from cake mix. Brownies are a favorite dessert among many. Their delicious, fudgy texture makes them irresistible. Making brownies from cake mix is simple and creates a tasty dessert. Cake mix brownies are the perfect solution if you are craving brownies, but don't have all the ingredients for them. The cake mix provides the brownies with a delicious chocolate flavor. You'll also love how easy they are to make. Benefits of using cake mix. Not only is using cake mix easy, but it is effective in achieving delicious brownies. When using a cake mix, you don't have to add more dry ingredients. This will save you time, as all the dry ingredients are already measured out and mixed. Using a fudgy chocolate cake mix will help you get that amazing fudgy taste brownies are famous for. Cake mix is also great to use because it has a long shelf life. The cake mix typically lasts for 4 to 5 months. Cake mix is generally cheap to buy. You can buy a box of cake mix for only a couple of dollars. This will save you the hassle of buying all the separate ingredients if you don't do a lot of baking or don't have the time to make things from scratch. In addition to making cake and brownies with cake mix, you can also make cookies from cake mix. Cake mix is versatile, as you can make many different desserts with it. Keeping cake mix around is great if you want to make quick and delicious desserts. What you will need: 1 box chocolate fudge cake mix, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 2 eggs, 1 cup chocolate chips or walnuts. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray the pan with cooking spray. Step 2. Using an electric mixer, beat the cake mix, eggs, and oil. Beat the mixture at low speed until it is smooth. You may beat the ingredients together by hand if desired. Step 3. If desired, gently mix in the chocolate chips or walnuts until fully incorporated into the mix. Step 4. Using a rubber spatula, pour the brownies into the greased pan. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Insert a toothpick to see if it's cooked. If it is cooked, the toothpick will come out clean. Allow the brownies to cool for 30 minutes. Cut the brownies and serve. If you want some additional flavor and texture, adding walnuts or chocolate chips is a great addition to these brownies. You can even add both of them if you like. However, you don't have to add anything to your brownies either. Tips and tricks. When making brownies, it is best to use eggs that have reached room temperature. Cold eggs can lead to too dense of texture and won't incorporate into the batter as well as room temperature eggs. It is best to let your eggs sit out for at least half an hour before adding them to your brownie mixture. To help the brownies get out of the pan easier, you can add parchment or wax paper after greasing your pan. Not only will it make the brownies easier to get out, but it will help prevent any brownie from sticking. Though it is recommended to use a chocolate fudge cake mix, you can use any of your favorite chocolate cake mixes. Devil's Food cake mix can be great for extra chocolatey brownies. You can even try it with a German cake mix too. Make sure not to overbeat the batter while mixing it. Overbeating the batter will result in brownies with a more cake-like texture that is less chewy. You only need to mix the batter for as long it takes for the ingredients to be fully combined. This brownie recipe is great because it is versatile. You can add chocolate chips and walnuts, but you can also add in much more. Try it with some of your favorite candies or add some cookie dough, even try it with some cheesecake swirls. You can also add more toppings to brownies after they bake. Ice cream is a classic topping that pairs perfectly with a warm brownie. Topping with frosting, caramel sauce, or chocolate sauce is another great option too. Be sure to wait to serve the brownies until they have cooled for about 30 minutes. This will give the brownies a better tasting flavor and texture. The brownies will still be a bit warm and they will have a great texture. These brownies can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 4 days. They can be stored in the fridge for up to a week. They can also be stored in the freezer for up to 4 months wrapped in aluminum foil. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.